Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today I am at a car dealership to get my car repaired. I am here for a tire change, and to my surprise, they have so many items in their waiting area for refreshment, like this Canada Dry zero sugar ginger ale. I have never tried this before, so I'm gonna try it now. I have tried Canada Dry, but not with this zero sugar, so I'm gonna give it a try, and then we'll see it from there. Hopefully it tastes good. So I opened it, guys. The color is like water, and it tastes really good, like ginger taste I'm really getting, and I'm really having good time having it. And good thing is today is Saturday, so I have no pressure of something else to be done right now. My car has been checked in, and now I'm waiting for it to come back after the service. Hopefully it doesn't take more than an hour, but till then I'm gonna try this. And thanks for watching.